So hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're gonna print this pattern in Python. Before writing to the code, first we have to analyze what type of pattern is this. Like if you analyze this clearly, that in the first line we have just only one asterisk, in the second line we have two stars, in the third line we have three, four line we have four, in five line we have five, which means that in each number of line there is a star corresponding to the number of line. What I'm trying to say, in that first line we have only one star, in the second line we have two stars, in the third line we have three stars. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna print stars according to the number of lines. And how's we gonna do this? Let's see. So the first, I have to just ask the user to enter a number. So I have asked the user to enter the number of lines, and so what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna implement a loop. So I have implemented a loop. Now, how I'm gonna start this loop? I'm gonna start this loop with 1, and as the number proceed, I'm gonna add 1 in the given integer, right? So I'm gonna start the loop with 1 and just end it to the 1 increase in the given integer. Now, as you saw that I have to print this pattern like this, that each line consists of the number of stars corresponding to the number of line. Now, how I'm gonna implement this? I'm gonna just print this, print, and this is the I, which is the loop, and then I just multiply it with star, right? So how this is gonna work? This is gonna work in the way that when this I is 1, sorry, when this I is 1, then it will print this star one time. Then in the second loop, when this I will become 2, then it will print the star two times. If this I is 3, then it will print the star 3 times. Let's see. I'm writing the number of lines. I've written 5. Let's see. So it has printed the star in the 5 times. Like in the first line, it has printed 1, second line 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So this is how you can print this pattern. In a similar way, if I just change it a little bit, and if I just want to print the numbers in the same way, like in the first line we got a 1, second line I want to print 2, third line I want to print 3. So how are you going to do this? I'm just altering this code, the same code, and I've just changed it, like the number of lines into typecast into a string. And now what will gonna happen? Let's see. I will enter 5, and let's see. What did it do? It just print the one time, and when the loop proceed to the second time, then it will print 2 times, because the I will contain 2, and this is a string, so this string will print 2 times, right? In a similar way, in a 3 times, 4 times, 5 times. So this is the basic logic behind this code. So I hope you understand this in a very similar way. If you like the video, if you understand this, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel.